Small personal electronics have become a routine part of everyday life. Wireless earbuds provide portable entertainment and communication. Chargers keep our devices operating, and smartwatches place notifications, schedules, activity tracking, and other digital functions directly on our wrists. Because these products are compact and frequently replaced, they can accumulate without being recognized as a significant source of electronic waste. Convenient collection, responsible reuse, battery awareness, and proper recycling can help address this growing challenge. The average household now depends on numerous compact electronic devices and accessories. One person may own several pairs of earbuds, multiple charging cables, wall adapters, portable battery accessories, and more than one generation of smartwatch. These items accumulate in homes, offices, schools, apartment buildings, and community spaces. A broken cable may be placed in a drawer, an outdated smartwatch may remain in its original box, and old earbuds may be stored beside their replacements. Individually, each product occupies very little space. Collectively, however, they create a substantial stream of unused electronics containing batteries, wiring, circuit boards, metals, plastics, and other materials. Small electronics require the same thoughtful life cycle management as larger devices. Functional equipment should be evaluated for reuse, while damaged and obsolete products should be collected responsibly. Personal technology changes quickly. New smartphones may use different charging connections, smartwatches introduce updated features, and wireless earbuds continue improving battery life, sound quality, and connectivity. When consumers purchase newer technology, accessories associated with previous devices may no longer be needed. Chargers become incompatible, watches lose software support, and earbud batteries gradually provide less operating time. Replacement can occur before a product is completely unusable. As a result, many households keep electronics that still contain functional components and useful materials. People may also retain old chargers as possible backups without checking whether they remain compatible. Over time, damaged, outdated, and unidentified accessories become mixed with equipment that still works. Periodically reviewing drawers, boxes, cabinets, and storage areas can help households classify these products for continued use, reuse, repair, or responsible recycling. Wireless earbuds are among the smallest consumer electronic devices, but their compact housings contain sophisticated technology. Miniature speakers produce sound, while built-in microphones support calls and voice-controlled features. Wireless communication chips connect the earbuds to phones, tablets, computers, and other devices. Miniature circuit boards regulate audio processing, wireless connections, battery use, and touch controls. Sensors may detect movement, user commands, or whether the earbuds are being worn. Each wireless earbud may contain a small rechargeable battery sealed inside its housing. Declining battery capacity is one of the main reasons these products are replaced. Charging cases introduce another battery, charging contacts, circuit boards, connectors, indicators, and power management components. When the earbuds reach the end of their useful lives, the case should be collected with them. Their extremely small size makes earbuds easy to overlook or lose in general waste. Dedicated collection systems can ensure that the entire set receives appropriate attention. Charging accessories create their own electronics waste stream. Wall adapters, USB cables, wireless charging pads, proprietary connectors, docks, and power supplies often remain behind when primary devices are replaced. Wall adapters contain electronic components that convert electrical power into the form required by the connected device. Charging cables may include copper wiring, protective insulation, connectors, and small electronic components. Wireless charging pads contain coils, circuit boards, wiring, power connections, and protective housings. Power banks and battery cases add rechargeable batteries and energy management electronics. Before recycling a charger, users should determine whether it remains functional and compatible with another device. A working accessory may continue serving a household, workplace, or another appropriate user. Damaged cables should not be kept indefinitely as backups. Worn insulation, exposed wiring, loose connectors, excessive heat, or unstable charging may indicate that an accessory should be removed from use. Chargers that are damaged, obsolete, or no longer compatible should be separated from ordinary waste and directed toward responsible electronics collection. Smartwatches contain many of the same technologies found in larger mobile devices. Digital displays present notifications, applications, schedules, activity information, and device settings. Processors manage applications, sensors, wireless communication, user commands, and energy use. Memory components may store applications, personal settings, messages, activity records, and health-related information. Wireless hardware connects the watch to phones, earbuds, networks, payment services, and other systems. Integrated sensors may monitor movement, exercise, location, heart rate, sleep, and additional activities. Most smartwatches contain rechargeable batteries that gradually lose capacity after repeated charging cycles. Because these batteries are often built into sealed housings, users should not attempt to force them out. Charging docks, magnetic cables, adapters, and replacement bands should be considered part of the complete smartwatch system. Some accessories may remain useful even after the original watch is retired. A functioning watch may be suitable for reuse after its condition, and battery performance are evaluated. Damaged or obsolete watches require thoughtful end-of-life management. Many compact electronics contain rechargeable batteries. Earbuds, charging cases, smartwatches, power banks, and certain accessories may all contain cells hidden inside sealed housings. Battery condition should be considered before any device enters a collection container. Warning signs can include swelling, leakage, puncture damage, cracking, deformation, unusual odors, or excessive heat. A swollen or leaking device should not be placed in an ordinary collection box. It should not be compressed, punctured, dismantled, or buried beneath heavier electronics. Equipment that becomes unusually hot during charging, use, or storage should be removed from service. Repeatedly testing a questionable device may worsen its condition. Collection programs should provide clear instructions explaining how participants can recognize and report damaged battery-powered electronics. Questionable devices should be kept separate from ordinary trash, curbside recycling, and intact electronics. A licensed recycler should be contacted because damaged batteries may have specific packaging, storage, acceptance, and transportation requirements. People are more likely to manage small electronics responsibly when collection is convenient and easy to understand. Apartment buildings, schools, workplaces, community centers, and public facilities can establish designated areas for earbuds, charging cases, cables, adapters, smartwatches, and other accepted devices. Containers should be clearly labeled with accepted and prohibited items. Instructions should explain that swollen, leaking, punctured, or overheated devices must not be placed into the regular container. Collection areas should protect electronics from water, food waste, heavy objects, and other materials that could create contamination or damage. Containers should be supervised when possible and checked regularly. Electronics should not accumulate indefinitely, become overcrowded, or remain forgotten for long periods. A dependable pickup schedule should reflect participation levels and available storage space. Collection coordinators should also maintain contact information for participants who have questions about damaged or unusual devices. Working with a licensed recycler in advance can help the organization establish suitable containers, accepted material guidelines, preparation procedures, and pickup schedules. Smartwatches may contain personal information associated with the previous user. Stored data can include contacts, messages, notifications, schedules, activity records, health information, and application settings. Before a smartwatch is reused or collected, information that needs to be retained should be synchronized or transferred to an approved phone, account, or storage service. The watch should then be disconnected from email, health, payment, manufacturer, and cloud accounts. Saved connections to phones, earbuds, and wireless networks should also be removed. Payment applications require particular attention. Digital cards and payment authorization should be removed before the device leaves the owner's possession. A factory reset should be performed when appropriate. Users should follow the manufacturer's instructions to remove applications, personal settings, and locally stored information. Data preparation should occur before collection, because staff may not be responsible for accessing or resetting personal devices. Owners should complete these steps while they still have the required passwords and connected accounts. Responsible electronics management protects both the physical environment and the privacy of the previous user. Collection does not automatically mean that every product must be recycled immediately. Some devices and accessories may remain functional and useful. A working smartwatch may serve another person after its screen. Controls, connectivity, battery performance, and overall condition have been evaluated. Personal information must be removed before ownership changes. Functional chargers, cables, and docks can continue supporting compatible electronics. Electrical specifications and connector types should be confirmed before accessories are assigned to another device. Unopened or lightly used adapters, bands, cables, and charging equipment may also have practical value in another household, school, office, or community program. Used equipment should be tested before transfer. Devices that charge inconsistently, overheat, shut down unexpectedly, or contain damaged batteries should not be presented as reusable. Collection programs can classify products as functional, repairable, damaged, obsolete, or ready for recycling. This helps extend appropriate product lifespans while keeping unsuitable equipment out of reuse channels. When continued use is no longer practical, the device should be directed toward a licensed recycler instead of returning to long-term storage. Many people understand that computers and televisions require special end-of-life consideration, but may not think the same way about tiny electronic accessories. Education should identify familiar products such as earbuds, charging cases, wall adapters, cables, smartwatches, charging docks, and power banks. Collection locations can be promoted through signs, posters, emails, newsletters, school announcements, workplace communications, and community events. Educational materials should explain battery warning signs, including swelling, leakage, unusual heat, punctures, and deformation. Participants should know that damaged devices require separate attention. Smartwatch users should also be reminded to transfer important information, disconnect accounts, remove payment features, and reset devices before collection. Reuse should be presented as a responsible option when equipment remains functional, complete, and appropriate for another user. Clear responsibilities help programs operate consistently. Participants should understand how to prepare items, while collection staff should know how to monitor containers and respond to questionable devices. The goal is to make responsible management of small electronics as familiar as other everyday recycling habits. Sustainable electronics management begins with regular attention. Households and organizations should periodically review drawers, boxes, cabinets, desks, and storage rooms for forgotten devices and accessories. Chargers and cables should be labeled and organized according to compatibility. This makes functional equipment easier to locate and prevents unnecessary replacement purchases. Before upgrading, consumers can consider whether their existing device still meets their needs. Extending appropriate use reduces repeated consumption and delays the creation of electronic waste. Functional products can remain in circulation through continued use or responsible transfer. Damaged equipment should be identified promptly and kept away from ordinary waste. Convenient collection programs require clear labels, accessible locations, monitored containers, and dependable pickup schedules. Data protection must remain part of the process. Smartwatches should be disconnected, reset, and cleared before they change ownership or enter recycling. One earbud, charger, or watch may appear insignificant, but thousands of small devices contain considerable quantities of batteries, wiring, circuit boards, metals, and plastics. Giving compact electronics proper attention throughout their life cycles supports more practical and sustainable technology habits. Small personal electronics should not remain forgotten in drawers or become mixed with ordinary household waste. Thoughtful purchasing, organized storage, responsible reuse, battery awareness, data protection, convenient collection, and proper recycling can help households and organizations manage these products more effectively. When earbuds, chargers, smartwatches, and related accessories reach the end of their practical lives, responsible collection ensures that their components receive appropriate attention. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website. No electronic device is too small to deserve responsible collection, thoughtful reuse, and proper recycling.